Welcome back to another episode of Drink Tales, and today is part 2 of our look at Gator Bite, which is apparently juicy and delicious. I'm sorry, juicy and delightful.
According to the thing you read on the bag.
Yes.
But, I mean,
according to the bottle.
We already did our review. The score is out there. Let's just move on.
We're not changing it. Anyway, so you guys know how this works. We review something new or new to us, so to speak. We give it 2 episodes. First episode, we taste it. Second episode, we make an original recipe out of it. And today is that second episode. We're gonna make an original cocktail out of the Gator Bite. So, what you thinking?
Ooh. So I was thinking we move in the direction of kind of an old-fashioned style drink. I want to use the blueprint of an old-fashioned, but not just any old-fashioned, the Oaxacan old-fashioned. Now, hold on right there. You guys probably thinking I'm gonna use mezcal and tequila. No. What I wanted to do with this, I was thinking because this was made with rum, we pair it with a rum that would match with it. And I could have easily been like, well, I'll just go to the liquor store and get a Louisiana rum. No. While that could be something that you could do, I wanted to pick something that matched the flavor profiles that I was saying about this stuff.
And what is the flavor profile that you were saying?
Oaky. That was the one that stuck out to me. So I jumped on that specific note and found something that I think will work. Now, also within the style in which we do these part 2s of these reviews, we are flying by the seat of our pants because what I picked is something that I have never tasted before, at least not knowingly, and that is
Diplomatico. Now, the thing about Diplomatico is, 1, we've never had it on the show before, so this is brand new to us. 2, one of the other reasons we picked Diplomatico is because it was referred to us by a friend from work. He said it was pretty good, and we decided, let's go for it.
And this is the premium dark rum.
Yes, premium dark rum. Ideal for mixing in cocktails while maintaining its complexity to drink neat. Dark sipping rum. Product of Venezuela. Rum. Extraordinary dark rum blended to perfection. 40% alcohol by volume. You guys know I like to read the labels. Diplomatico Mantuano is a refined blend of rums inspired by Don Juancho Melendez, a Mantuano or local nobleman who was known for his sophisticated taste. Alright, Don. Its aromas of dried fruits and oak then reveal notes of vanilla and a delicate spiciness, leading to a balanced and slightly dry finish. Enjoy neat or in flavorful cocktails. Alright, Venezuela. Let's get this going.
So what we're gonna do is I want to taste this first.
Yes, since it is new to us.
Before we make a drink. And that's what I was hoping for.
Getting some chocolate.
Yeah, it's a warming taste, as it were. Smell, I should say. Put that right there. Yeah.
Yeah, this will
definitely work. It's smooth. It has that It's gonna sound weird, but it has that velvety oak feel, mouthfeel that puts you in the mindset of a whiskey, which goes perfect with the fact that I want to do this drink in the style of an old fashioned. Got some sweetness to it. Kind of caught me off guard there for a minute. You got some sweetness to it. You got some heat on that. Just a quick score for me, 9 out of 10. 8.5. Okay. Well, we can't always be right.
8.9. I'll put it like that.
9 out of 10. We're rounding.
Okay.
Unless we go straight down the middle, then we do the 8.5. None of that 8.43.
8.69 and a 12.
Yeah, we're not doing that. Okay, so here we go. To start, I'm going to do a sugar cube as per the tradition of old fashioned. I'm gonna use Peychaud's bitters, as the main bitters instead of Let's try it like this. Oh, look at you being fancy.
Breaking it down. So why are you breaking it down?
So that it can get stirred up in there. And regardless, this mixture is gonna you're gonna get the sweetness and the sugar as the drink goes down later. So, you know, in a way, this isn't pointless, but you know. Let's add our ice next. I'm probably doing this all wrong, but oh well. And then we will add our 1.5 ounces of Diplomatico.
1.5 ounces of Diplomatico. That's a lot. A lot.
And then our 1/2 ounce of the start of the show, which is the Gator Bite. I bet Gator Bite thought we forgot about it. Give that a start. Oh, you know what? Your 1 dash of Angostura. Okay. Just to remember our fruit. Bring it. I know. We're gonna do a flame. You doing new stuff on the show. Ooh, shit. Scared you did.
That was awesome.
I wish this thing was a lot. Yeah, that's good. I wish it was, but you know what? And there we go. I wish that was a lot wider, as it were.
Talking about a lot wider of a flame?
No, the orange peel.
You wanted a bigger peel.
I got you. Okay. There you go.
Okay. That's nice. Taste some of that flame. I'm tasting everything actually. Good. Gator Bite's coming through. That's pretty good. Ooh. Yeah, see. That's the effect that I wanted, actually. Liquor forward, but the bitters pulls out the sweetness from the rum. And the Gator Bite. And the flame adds that extra oomph to it. Right. Yeah, that's a nice little drink there. This is definitely the type of drink someone would make at a restaurant, and like it would be their alternative to an old fashioned or something. What do we want to call it?
I guess we could be boring and call it a Gator Bite Old Fashioned, especially since the drink doesn't exist because their website only has one drink for this stuff, which is a spritz.
A Gator Bite Old Fashioned? Okay. Gator Bite Old Fashioned. They don't all have to be fancy, guys. But I like it. I think you did a really good job. And if Gator Bite's watching, if they're listening, they, maybe
Throw some credit or something.
Yeah. Add this cocktail to the website and created by us.
Exactly.
Yeah, I like it. It's pretty good. And with that said, that'll do it for this episode of Drink Tales. Be sure to like and subscribe. Hit that bell so that we're notified of all content that's coming to the channel. Also check us out on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And guys, share our content too. I don't say this, but start sharing the video.
Exactly.
Start sharing the pictures on Instagram. Share all our stuff.
Exactly. And I'm gonna throw this out here too. Drinks, food, liquor, all of that stuff. The stuff that goes in your mouth and gives you pleasurable feelings. You guys need to tell us about that stuff and where we can get it. Hit us up in our DMs and whatnot.
And I'm gonna say phrasing because I know there are some sickos on the internet. But if you're gonna tell us where to get stuff, if you're just gonna send Instagram model DMs, we don't mind that. But anyway, that goes for locations. That also goes for locations. Tell us where we can go to see some of this stuff and taste some of these things. Restaurants, bars, distilleries, things of that nature.
I'm just telling you guys now, I've been home for a week and I already want to leave this fucking town.
Exactly. Like, we've been home from a week from Vegas. I'm ready to go back. Or go somewhere else. Like, I'm looking at flights to Vegas again.
Yeah.
And I just came back from there. What are we doing in December? You decide.
Yeah.
What are we doing in December? And hurry up with that decision.
And maybe pay for the plane tickets and stuff like that. And our accommodation.
Exactly. But that'll do it for this episode of Drink Tales. And until next time, everybody. Peace.